Hello, thank you for joining All About Stocks. My name is Alan. Let's get started here. I did want to dive into just the beginning parts or the basics of the dividends, just to make sure everyone is caught up here. I want to go through the X dividend date, the declaration date, the record date, and the payment date, just to make sure everyone's caught up. I see this question asked a lot in Facebook groups, even on Webull. I do see it. So just so everyone's caught up, the declaration date. Oh, excuse me. The declaration date is when the company declares the dividend. The X date is when you have to have the stock purchased by, and you have to have it purchased by the end of the closing date. Just to be safe, sometimes there are some contingencies. Some stocks it's the beginning, some stocks it's by noon. Just to be safe, unless you know the stock very well, let's just say it's the end of the closing date. The record date is when they record the who all has held the stock, or that let's just say who all has held the stock or what all companies have, and then the payment date is when you can expect to get the payment of the dividend. So now that we've went through that, let's move on and go through a little bit more exciting and fun things. So I did want to have a little bit more fun with this. I did do a video. It was just me rambling on about that exact same thing for about 10 minutes. So that wasn't fun. So my next video is going to be over AGNC. So you can expect that coming up. But so to have a little bit of fun, let's go ahead and look at let's say Disney. Disney's trading for currently, I believe it's at I actually believe it's at 187. If you'll give me just a second here, we can be 100% sure. Disney's at 177. I'm sorry. It's 177.38. They've gone down a little bit since I've last seen them. Okay, so we're going to hold on to that right there, and we're going to pull this up. So the fun thing about monthly dividend stocks is that, so for I'm sorry, I'm just scrolling around here. So we have Disney right here. Disney. And I did not keep Disney up. Great. And I do apologize. I am still trying to get everything prepared here. Disney does pay a quarterly dividend of 88 cents. And I'll go ahead and put that down here. So we'll just put that right there. So to meet that quarterly dividend, we're gonna see if we can beat that with them paying at 177. And let's try to beat that with just A, G, and C. So with A, G, and C, we're gonna have 177.38 to spend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spend we're gonna buy 10 shares. That gets us at 177 and 10 cents. And that would bring us at $1.20. And right off the bat, I just beat Disney without even trying. I guess that wasn't as fun as I thought. So let's try to do this again without an updated stock. Let's try with a non-updated stock. Let's try with Suns. How about that? Suns is not updated, so let's just try with Suns. And Suns won't be updated, so let's just see what we can do with here. So Suns' dividend is 10 cents. And we'll just try to do 10 shares again. We still have a little bit left over, so let's try to do 15 shares. Now we got a little bit extra here, so let's do 13. So at 165 at 12 shares. So we're at 120, and we got about that'd be about $12 left over. And then we could, let's say, buy AR, and then we could turn around and buy AR, which would put us at another. So we could potentially get to $1.30 if we bought AR. Once again, these are not updated. We're just kind of playing around with it. But that's the fun of monthly dividend stocks. Now, monthly dividend stocks, REITs, they are a little bit more volatile when it comes to when the 10-year treasury kind of goes up, the REITs will tend to go down. So you gotta keep an eye on that. But I just want to have a little bit of fun with this one. I want to keep your mind open to having a little bit, or keep your mind open to a new idea of investing. But have a good night or a good day wherever you're at, and happy investing. Have a great day. Bye.